All right, folks, here is my tree order from TreeTime.ca. Came all really nicely packaged, actually. Came actually a day earlier than expected. Let's see what I got here. It's my packing slip that kind of tells you who I am, where it's going to and stuff, and what my trees are. Also shows you who actually packed the stuff too. Mervin and Liam. Shows you my order of trees, everything I got. And that's my packing slip, and then it's also got a copy of my invoice, copy of TreeTime.ca pre-planting tree care guide, and a planting guide to help me plant it a little bit better. That's good. All nice things to have, that's for sure. All right, let's see what else I got here. Oh, it's even more nicely wrapped. Oh, nice. Yeah. I got this on Tuesday. It was shipped on Monday. Got them on Tuesday. I live really close to TreeTime.ca. And then, look at this. Okay, it's my first one. That's the Balser's Blackberry, one of the cold hardiest blackberries that you can get. This is the Northline Saskatoon. The Northline Saskatoon. A truck going by right now that's loud. But that's the Northline Saskatoon, and the buds look like they're just starting to emerge, which is good. That's always one of the first to emerge in the spring. Let's see what else is in here. We've got some Armstrong Maple. That's quite attractive. So for scale, those are probably, I'd say 6 to 8 inches, somewhere in that range. This is the Manchurian apricot. There's a couple of those there. What else we got here? Well, those are starting to emerge. That's blackcurrant, also one of the first to emerge in the spring for me here locally. And then that is the Canada Plum. Wow, those look really good too. That's nice. Canada Plum, that's a really great pollinator. American plum may work better in other areas. It comes out just a little bit later. This is Aronia Berry, a little shorter than some of the others, but they're already emerging from the buds and stuff. They're looking pretty healthy, and that's everything. A little bit more plastic than I like, but the trees will more than do some extra good than the plastic will. Very nice, very attractive. Can't wait to plant these. Next step, planting.